We got a key fob out of the 2024 Nissan Sentra. This is how you open it up to replace the battery if you have a dead battery, low battery. All right, so turn it over and there's a sliding switch right here. I'm gonna slide to the right, hold it down, and that releases this emergency key. And once you have the emergency key out, we're gonna look at the bottom of it here and use a small flathead screwdriver. There's some little bitty slots on each corner right here. I mean, they're super duper small, but they're big enough for a small flathead screwdriver like this. Hopefully you can see that. We're gonna put this in, give it a turn, okay? You can see how it's kind of opened it up a little bit here. This is how you open this remote. You go the other side without doing any damage to it, okay? Any physical damage. You don't want to see any damage to it. And then we're gonna go and just work our way around and gently pry this guy apart, just like that, okay? Now the battery's on the back side of the remote, the back cover. We can just pull it out like this. I'll show you what size the battery is. Battery size is gonna be a CR2032 battery. If you need a battery, you can check down in the description box. I have a link takes you to Amazon where you can buy a new battery. Positive sign, it's written right here, will be facing down in the holder, and we need to get it against these contacts here. And we'll just put this right back together, starting at the top. You want to put the top in first and work your way down. And put the emergency key back in. And if it goes in and unlocks, you're all done.